Now, Benin is one of the smaller African countries. Introduce us to Isocell and what it is that you do within your country.
Isocell is a private ISP, wireless ISP. So all our infrastructure is based on wireless technology. We cover the city of Cotonou, over 500 square kilometers, and the population of around 1.5 million citizens. We have 26 base stations spread all over the city, and up till now we have 3,000 customers, and we launched our network since February 2008, so we're less than 1.5 years, less than 18 months in the business.
Now, one of the main topics for discussion during the Digital Summit was how can African countries encourage investment within the ICT sector. Tell us, what are some of the things the Benin government is doing to encourage this?
We have the incumbent, Benin Telecom, that is being privatized right now. The incumbent was in a monopolistic position, but now there's a new regulation, new laws on electronic communications that's being approved, and they are into application right now. So the sector is opening for investment in the ICT sector, and there's a will from the government of Benin to make Benin the digital quarter of Africa.
Now, there's a number of interesting projects going on in bringing the rural areas to experience ICT. Tell us a bit of detail about what's happening on the ground in regards to rural development in ICT.
In July, we will start deploying in 9 secondary cities in Benin that represent around 2.5 million citizens, because most of the operators are concentrating their networks in the capital city. But we realize that there's a very big demand in rural areas, so we're building also ICT community centers where we will give internet courses and all kind of ICT trainings, and for schools and students, and also we'll have some computers in the ICT community centers for the population to access the e-government application.
And what are some of the biggest challenges facing ISP companies and the growth of the ICT sector in Benin?
Mostly financing, because it's not easy to raise financing, and now we're going to be soon in partnership with a strategic partner, with a big telco group, for us to be able to grow, because as an independent company at a certain level, our growth is like handicapped by our financial capacity.
What's the way forward? What are your expectations of what to expect going forward in Benin's ICT sector?
We're looking forward to see Africa becoming soon like in any other developed country, where connectivity and internet connections will be really affordable to everybody, and it's not only being for the privilege. That's what we're really aiming to do.